Hi guys, if you have bought Ak4500 with a hyperlink and you want to connect your hyperlink to your gimbal, this is very simple. Keep this mode button pressed until you see the screen. Then you go to the mode button, and when you see set, go right, and then you go scan, and at the same time turn on your gimbal and go to your settings, knob settings, camera control, and AKF2. So once you do a scan on your hyperlink, you will see Ak4500. Select that, and that is how you connect it to your gimbal. Once it's connected, you can do follow. You can use this button. So if you keep this pressed and you want to use hand motions, you can use this to turn right, turn left, upward. Alternately, you can use this button to make it normal, like just as a normal gimbal functions, and you can also use a joystick. I hope that helps.